This is a short walkthrough demonstration of a few of the templates I've created as head strength and conditioning coach at Transylvania University. This first template is our annual plan template. You can see that we have the year broken up by month and week. Academic notes help us to know when we will be on breaks and how the academic calendar corresponds to our athletic competition calendar, with all of our competitions and any important practice information filled in here. Below that, we have all our sport information with training days per week, competitions per week, when we're having camp, when we need to taper, and then the strength and conditioning information is below that with strengthening phase information and conditioning phase information recorded below. The next template is the testing template that I created to record all of our tests throughout the year for various teams. You can see on the left we have our roster. Each test has its own table filled in with the date the test was administered along with the athlete scores. Once we have that filled in, on the team results tab here we can see results for each test. They'll again tell us the dates and the average scores, median, standard deviations, and changes to date and overall changes of those scores for the team. The information is also represented graphically below, so it's easy to read. There's also an individual results sheet that will tell you results for each individual athlete. Again, score, rank within the team, changes to date, graphical representations, and once you change the athlete, you can see that the graphs change and all the information updates with each individual athlete's score. This final template is one that I created to make our program writing easier and quicker. This is a customized version of the tier system by Joe Ken. You can see all our categories on the left and across the top. Each category is filled in with category appropriate exercises or lifts, and the colors note the technical difficulty of each lift. Once the exercise bank is filled in, this is what our actual workout cards look like. This is a 3-day-a-week template. You can see the first day is a total body explosive emphasis. So on the category drop down, if you change that, it will change the exercise drop down to correspond to that part of the exercise bank. So you can see here we can start the week with a split jerk, or we can drop the category down, change it to an upper body emphasis. And then this drop down will have also changed, and we can make that a barbell shoulder press. The date will also auto-populate whenever you change it based on how many weeks you're doing. So if we make this different, you can see that the top of each column will auto-populate with the first training day of the week. Again, this is a 3-day template. I also have versions for 2 days a week and 2 days a week in season. It can be customized for whatever the coach needs. Thank you for your time.